This is an unboxing of a very unusual telescope, and I will show you. Okay, I've opened it now. Let us see what is inside. Hmm. 200 power telescopes, Tasco, and this is the Catadioptric telescope. Let me remove the plastic back. Okay, we bought it from eBay for, I think I paid £22 for this. So this is a telescope that has actually equatorial mount, and it has a map also inside, the moon map. Let's see what is inside it. I don't remember seeing the moon map in an advert, but let's see. So this is now in double package. That means really secure. Okay, let me do it. I have to use both hands. Okay, now I have removed that pack to this side. Okay, oh, looks like new. Okay, what is this? There is a Pakistan map. Oh, this eyepiece. This is a book, Stars and Planets. This is Reach to Worlds Beyond, How to Use Your Telescope. Oh, I love this kind of booklets with things in them. Okay, Tasco 30, 11, 32, 30, 21, 32. This is interesting guide to that telescope. Let me remove. This is the optical tube assembly. Looks quite clean. Interesting. Let me use my hand to open this. That's the diaphragm for looking at the sun, I think. Oh, look at that. It's a bit dusty, but I can clean it. Yeah, focal ratio 10. Diameter 76 millimeter, that's 3 inches. And F600. And Catadioptric, this has this tube here. It's quite heavy. It's metal. And let's see what's the rest of it. Okay, this is the mount. That's the reason I bought this. It's equatorial mount actually, and you can adjust it for the polar star Polaris. Adjust for your latitude, and then you can actually guide it. Looks very interesting. And inside of the ring is actually felt lined, so that's good quality. So this is the finder. It's a quite nice right angle finder. Oh, these are the tripod legs. Yeah, that looks interesting. Quite heavy metal. Oh, look at this. That's what I wanted. A map of the universe, solar system. Oh, moon map. That moon map. Oh, I love this moon map. Look at that. Let me see if there is a Burgess crater in this. If it is Burgess crater, if it has that, that's the accurate one. So we are looking at the Grimaldi here, and if I turn it over, a telescope that gives you a map must be a good one. Darwin Burgess. It's not very accurate in a sense of being showing the shape of it, but I suppose that's what it is. Better than nothing. Yeah, it's good for the bigger picture. For details like Burgess crater, it has written the name of it, but it's not very clear. So, good map anyway for free. Rand McNally official map of the moon. And this lovely book by Darlington Kindersley about the stars and planets is new, never been used. I have to read this. This looks interesting. Okay, now let me put the telescope together. Okay, that's the way the telescope looks when it is installed. I must say it looks practically like one of any of these single fork telescopes like Celestron and Meade or anything. Optical quality is average, and you have to clean the glass in front, also the lens, the eyepiece lens. The mount is good. I like the mount. I wish that it was possible to actually attach it to another telescope, also use it for all those ones. But generally it looks sturdy and looks impressive. If you turn it around, it's quite a beautiful piece to have in your desk.